Myself is Meghana. I am studying 9th grade in Biram Sridhar Reddy International School. Now I am here to represent some of the rivers like Ganga, Brahmaputra, Krishna, Godavari, Tapi, Narmada, etc. Now the first, let us take Krishna river to represent and explain the features of Krishna river. Krishna river is present in the peninsular river system. Krishna river is present in the South India. The second one is the features of Krishna river, or Krishna derives its name through the Hindu god Krishna. It originates from a spring near Mahabaleshwar. Its length is 1400 kilometers. Its main tributaries are Tungabhadra, Koyana and Musi. The second one is Narmada river. Narmada river is present here, river Narmada. Features of Narmada river are it flows towards west and drains into the Arabian Sea. River Narmada originates in the Amarkantak hills in Madhya Pradesh. It flows through a rift valley. Now the third one is Brahmaputra river. Brahmaputra river is present here. In China it is called as Tsangpo, and here it is called as Jiang, and in Assam it is called as Brahmaputra. The features of Brahmaputra river are Brahmaputra rises in Tibet east of Mansarovar lake. It flows parallel to the Himalayas into the India in Arunachal Pradesh. Now the fourth one is Tapi river. Tapi river is present under the Narmada river. Here it is. The features of Tapi river are it is the second largest peninsular river. It flows in a rift valley parallel to Narmada, but it is also too shorter in length. It forms estuary with Narmada. Now the fifth one is Ganga river. Ganga river is present here. Features are it represents dendritic drainage pattern. It meets with Brahmaputra and makes the largest delta of the world known as Sundarban Delta. The headquarters of Ganga, called the Bhagirathi, is fed by the Gangotri glacier and joined by Alkananda at Devaprayag. Now the sixth one is Mahanadi river. Mahanadi river is present here. The features of Mahanadi river are it rises in Chhattisgarh. It is the longest river in the Orissa. It flows through the Orissa and drains into the Bay of Bengal. Now the seventh one is Damodar river. Damodar river is present here, river Damodar. Features of Damodar river are it has number of tributaries and sub-tributaries. It flows across the Indian states of Jharkhand and West Bengal. Another name for Damodar river is Sara of Bengal. Now the last one is, that is eighth one, is Sutlej river. Sutlej river is present in North India. Here it is, river Sutlej. Features of Sutlej rivers are the Sutlej river is a branch of Indus river. The waters of the Sutlej are allocated to India under the Indus Water Treaty between India and Pakistan. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.